Today we are doing the Ollie tank romper from Retro Sparkle Designs. For this, you're going to need one of your neck bands, two of your tank bands, one front and one back. To start, you're going to put right sides together and clip and serge along the shoulder edges. Then you'll go ahead and clip and sew along the sides and the crotch. Next, you're going to take the neckband, you're going to fold it in half and then fold it again in half, and then clip and serge along the short edge there. Then you're going to quarter your neckband and attach it, and then you'll serge around the edge. Next, you'll take your tank bands and you'll fold them in half and then fold them again and serge along the edge and attach them. I like to have my side seams connected with that bottom seam there. Then you're going to go about 1/4 of an inch or so in, and you'll top stitch the side, both legs. Now you have your finished Ollie tank romper. Make sure to follow us on Facebook with Retro Sparkle Designs and here for more sew-alongs. Bye!